anything that you want to do to create a space for you to work in is always better. And no one bothers me in my really awesome vest that I look pretty dorky in, but I don't care. When I'm on location, I want to make sure I look the part so people just don't think I'm some hobbyist. So I like to dress up for that part. I always get teased for wearing this, but I don't even care because I have my license right here. I have my Etsy purchased patch right here. And I'd like to say that I'm an FAA pilot. And so the reason I wear this is mostly to get people knowing what I'm doing so they can see me out with drones and hopefully they don't bother me. Now, this is not a complete 100% safeguard. I always get 14-year-old teenage boys coming up to me saying, what drone do you have? What do you have? And then they want to talk to me while I'm flying. So I put out some cones so that now I have a space that no one should bother me in. And so ideally it wards off people so I can continue flying without any distraction.